Welcome to the video, guys. A pretty exciting day for me. I've just got back from Screwfix with all of this lot. As you can see then, it is all Titan branded. Idea behind that is I needed a little bit of everything, so I've gone for the more budget sort of tools, because if I'd have tried to buy this in all your higher price brand stuff, it would just cost me an absolute fortune. All of this together was about 600 quid, and my plan is to replace things as and when needed with hopefully something a little bit higher spec. But saying that, I have had Titan products in the past and I've never had an issue with them. Just I want to get like a little workshop set up, so I wanted, like I say, a little bit of everything. It does all come with a 2-year guarantee as well, so that's a nice bit of peace of mind there. 2 years is quite a long time, so I'm hoping we should be okay. I've gone through the reviews, all pretty positive. I watched some videos on YouTube, again, pretty positive. A few little things that have popped up, mainly with the table saw, just little things that saying the fence can become a little bit loose, but there is ways to tweak it. The bandsaw, they've said to replace the blade that it comes with if you want a little bit of a better cut. Things like the Mitre saw stand, though, everyone's always very impressed with that on the reviews. People use it with different brands of Mitre saw and said it's just as good as like ones that are double the price, basically. So we have got ourselves a bandsaw, a table saw, a sliding mitre saw, planer thicknesser, and like I say, the mitre saw stand. Get all these set up hopefully into like a little workshop in time. That's not even built yet, but we will get them in there at some point. I'm not going to go through all of these now in this video, it's just going to take way too long, so I think I'm best to do an unboxing video for each of them, maybe go through them in a little bit more detail for you and do it that way. But if you do want to know anything in the meantime, like individual prices or anything like that, a bit more information, just pop it in the comments, guys, and I will get back to you. So hope you found this useful. Like I say, about £600 in total for what I'd say a pretty basic beginner's kit.